This project is going to be a great starter project for anybody at any skill level. And what we're excited to show you is it's going to be a 10 by 10 primary area with a little 6 by 3 area beside the steps that we're going to build here. The steps are going to be ergonomically correct. They're going to be a good setup for a budget-conscious project. So it's going to be a step down to a 24-inch landing. They're going to be 4 feet wide and then down to paver grade. So we're going to show and talk about how you set those, how you prepare the base and the grade, and then set those in also. We're going to be using some cool tools to also help and facilitate the ease of installation of those products. And we're just going to pull this across here once, and it's going to leave us with a perfect setting bed, so it's going to work out just right. So we're going to pull this across once. I think we're going to get a little bit short there on the right hand side. Keith's trying to keep up with me. He's doing a good job. But we're going to screed it across here one more time. There's Bo, perfect. And then we're going to come out just like this. I'm going to touch that side one more. And now we're ready to set stairs. But now we got a perfect setup for a nice level pad. It's all angular stone. It's not going to sink, settle, or move. Water, if any gets to it, it's going to flow through, exit away from the house. So we're ready to set stairs, and that part's going to be really cool. Due to new OSHA rules that require any concrete cutting be performed wet or with a dust collection system, because it's illegal now for about any amount really of silicates to be released into the air via dry cutting, we have to cut wet or with a dust collection system. On a saw this big, wet cutting right now is the most cost-effective option available. We've got to trim this portion of the step back that's going to act as a runner back and riser for this portion of the stairs. We're going to wet cut this piece off and set it down in there with the M-Quip. Okay. Everything cool, Keith? That look good? Just hang tight. All right, so we set that into place, nice and easy. We'll stack our next one up on top of that and be in great shape. Got a good straight line. I think we're in real good shape. I like it.